be my lady. Come to me and take my hand and be my lady. Ano mga pangalan ninyo?
Ako po si Jerry.
Po si Cara.
Cara.
Ako po si Gian.
Ako naman po si Princess.
Kami pong bandang Rouge.
Nag-start talaga yung banda na acoustic group sa isang bar.
We had to start from the bottom. Like me and Gian were instrumentalists and then we had to learn how to sing. And then Jerry and Cara are both vocalists. We had to learn the guitar and she had to learn the bass. Gusto naman patunayan na hindi lang lalaki yung kayang mag-rock and roll. Na kahit babae, kaya yun nga din yung advocacy namin. Like to encourage especially the younger girls nga sa generation, no, na they can be whatever they want to be.
Okay, ano ba ibig sabihin ng Rouge?
Yung ibig sabihin din po nun, lipstick, makeup, blush on. Yun po yung nagre-represent sa amin. Girl power po kasi yung advocacy namin.
Ay, Powerpuff Girls.
Okay.
Pakita na natin yung talent.
Oh,
Girl
sige.
power, ah. Girl
Oh, sige,
power.
sige, sige,
Sabi
sige.
tayo dyan.
What's in your head? Yeah, in your head. Zombie, zombie, zombie. Yeah, yeah. Another hidden slowly. Child is slowly. In the violence and cause such sightings. We must be mistaken. It's the same and old thing since 1916. Need your head, they still fighting. We their pains in their arms, in their arms, in their arms. In your head, they still fighting. What's in your head? Yeah. In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. Yeah, yeah.
Yun ang girl power.
Ginising nyo ang kalamnan ko.
Ang angas nyo. Ang angas nyo. Gusto ko yan. May mga apat na nagagandahan dilag sa harap ko. Pero pag nag-perform, wala kang arte. Hindi kayo conscious ko na magiging itsura nyo.
Sakto lang.
Ay, grabe siya. Bakit naman? Bakit naman?
Baka naman...
Ikaw yung patayo-tayo ka pa habang nagpe-perform. Sila parang gigil na gigil ka.
Hindi kasi natatakpan yung drummer.
Actually,
Anong name ng drummer?
Si Gian. Kanina ko pa siya
Gian.
tinitigan.
Ilang taon ka na, Gian?
19 po.
19. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo, Gian, na napakaganda mong babae. Ngunit hindi yan sapat para gisingin ang natutulog kong pagkalalaki. Pero katulad ni Sleeping Beauty na matagal na nahimlay, baka naman sa pamamagitan ng isang halik muli akong mabuhay.
Gian! Parang pinawisan ka nun,
Ang ganda mo naman talaga. Yung ganda ninyo, baka yan na maging dahilan para mag-no ako. Hindi ko alam, mamaya malalaman natin.
May mga boyfriend na ba kayo?
Actually, lahat po may single.
Si Angel was so impressed with your performance, really. So who am I to say that you're not the greatest girl band? Okay?
Wow! Boss?
It's a big yes there.
Big yes!
100% yes!
Wow! Vice, anong boto mo?
It's a yes.
Meron na kayong 4 na yes! Congratulations!
Thank you po! Rock and roll!
Thank you.